In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create this watercolor effect. So to do that, first, we need to go to NovoAds AI. The link of this platform is going to be in the comment section. And here you need to create an account. This is a platform that you can try for just $1. So you could follow the tutorial paying only $1. So well, after you create the account, you will arrive here. And here we need to go to the video section. Now we have to go to settings. And here we're going to use the model Omniflash. If here it appears another model, just click and select the Omniflash model. Now we have to click here and upload your video. In my case, it's this one that actually was made with AI, but you can use a realistic video if you want. So now let's click here, and now where it says describe your video, I'm going to use the following prompt. Now we have to click this button, and now click in generate. And now we have to wait more or less 4 to 5 minutes. Perfect, here we have the result, so now let's see it.
I've been looking for the perfect dress for months. This one has it all. The fit, the flow, the lightweight fabric. It's the best I've ever had. Link in my profile.
Well, I don't know what you think, but personally, I like it a lot, the result. The quality of the video is amazing. So if you want to do a video like this one, remember that the prompt, I'm going to put it in the comment section. And remember that you can try this platform for just $1. So I recommend you to try the platform. And after saying that, see you in the next video.